Southern California, here we come. And we're gonna go to where?
Legoland.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Watching the Lego movie on our way to Legoland. Day one, well, we made it to California. We had a great flight out and we were met there by my mom and my nephew who are gonna be joining us for our trip to Legoland and the beach and all the stuff we're gonna do on this trip. So anyways, we are at our hotel and first thing, they all went and hit the pool. Here's our room and here's the pool and the hot tub. It is beach day today and we are in Oceanside, California. Unfortunately, we are not here on a great day because, I mean, the weather is gorgeous, but there's a big event going on and we're not really interested in events. We're just interested in a nice, quiet beach. We have thought about maybe going to a different beach, but the boys are having so much fun that we haven't made the move just yet. Such a beautiful day, perfect day in my opinion to be at the beach. My son and nephew are having a lot of fun, just building sandcastles, playing in the water, and just enjoying being outside and being boys, being kids. I am enjoying sitting back and just relaxing by the ocean. Isn't that what vacations are all about? Nothing says a fun time at the beach than running after the waves or running away from the waves. I came on crazy weekend. A lot of activity going on at Oceanside, California Pier today. About these events that are down by the beach, there's plenty of food and drinks, and woo, got my coffee drink. enjoy some time to myself. My mom is watching the boys right now down at the beach down there, and I'm just out walking the pier and enjoying this beautiful day. Big event down here at Oceanside today. I'm not even sure really what it all is, but there's all these free concerts of bands I've actually heard of, and looks like it would be a lot of fun, but it's really not what we came down here for. I'm not really prepared to hang out with big crowds and concerts. I came here to relax, but I don't know, a lot of great food options though when they have events like this. We had a busy but fun day today, and we just got finished eating dinner at the Habit. I've never been there before. At least I don't think I have, but it was pretty good. We ate at Hamburger Habit, and my son wanted to show his little tiny hamburger candy that they gave him for dessert. Well, we had a really fun day today at the beach. Did we have a fun day, guys? Mm-hmm. And everyone is worn out, so hopefully everyone will sleep great tonight and be well rested, because tomorrow is Legoland. So anyway, stay tuned for Legoland.